Hi, this is Afra from Quick WordPress Websites. Today we are going to see how to purchase inter-server hosting packages, that is start from $1 per 3 months and continue with other packages, and installation of domain name, SSL certificate and WordPress. Now I have clicked the $1 for 3 month package. You can get the link in the description. You can purchase a new domain or you can use already available domain name. So in this case I am going to buy a new domain in the interserver as well. So the domain name I am going to purchase is healthwithevidence.com and click continue. So here the price of the package is available. Renewal prices after 3 months also available. So you can select your preference. So I am going to select USD $1 for 3 months and renews at $54 for 12 months. So that is the cheapest and safe package. So I am going to purchase that one. For the website, if you want to get WHOIS privacy, it is USD $5 per year. It is little bit expensive, so I don't want that. So I clicking no and go for the payment method. There are credit card and PayPal payments methods are available. Once the payments are done, you will get following screen, and once you click, you will go to the next page. Here you can see the purchase domains, that is healthwithevidence.com, that's the domain name. Also web hosting name is the same as this is the default domain name, and there are no VPS. So I am clicking my web hosting healthwithevidence.com. So then it will redirect you to the myinterserver.net page. Here you can see the IP address you are hosting and your default DNS server details, and below you can find the direct admin login panel. This is similar to the cPanel in GoDaddy and other hosting providers. So this direct admin is free of charge, so it is very easy compared with cPanel. So here you can see the account manager tab in the first level, and there are domain setup, subdomain setups, and DNS management and SSL certificate and FTP managements are there. The second topic is email manager, where you can create email accounts and its forwarders. At the bottom we can see Softaculous apps installer that having WordPress. Let's see how to install SSL certificate provided free of charge by Interserver and Direct Admin. So click SSL certificate and go to use the best match certificate and click save and wait for around 5 minutes. Then you have to click the first one, free and automatic certificate from Let's Encrypt. So here you have to select certificate type Let's Encrypt certificate entries for all. So click that one and click save. Wait for another couple of minutes and you will get the success message, that is certificate and key is saved for all categories. So this is the success message of SSL certificate installation for your selected domain. Let's go back to the dashboard and we will see how to install the WordPress. So go to the bottom of the direct admin and select WordPress. So it will bring you to the Softaculous WordPress installer. Here you have to install the WordPress. So first select the HTTPS with www. If you not earlier install the SSL certificate, you will get the error message. So first you have to install the SSL certificate, then select the HTTPS www, then select your domain name you want to install the WordPress, and by default you will get a directory name WPB. So it better remove that one and keep it as a blank. And here you have to give your admin username, admin password and admin email address. Better give the secure username and password and click install. It will take around 1 to 4 minutes depend on your internet speed, and you will get the completion message. Now you can click the web address and see the WordPress installation. Also, you can click the WP admin, so you can log into the WordPress dashboard and you can do the modification of your websites. Thank you.